going on, everyone? It's Marc Bryce, NuMBERNYC here. Right now I'm chilling in my garage. My baby right behind me, dirty baby. That's my Hyundai Sonata 2010 Limited. It's sitting on Genesis wheels. Actually, what I'm sitting on right now literally is Genesis coupe leather seats. I'm actually going to sell these. They're going to be on my eBay store soon enough. If you're interested, hit me up. You can also contact me through Instagram. Mainly that's where I'm on. You can direct message me. My Instagram account is NuMBERNYC. You can find me there. But let's get started in today's video. Why I'm making this video. Why am I recording here in my garage? Why am I sitting on these seats next to this? It's because of this. I made a video prior on how I was using the Bryce Band, but I never really discussed it in person. Give me a little brief information on how this came about. As you guys watch my videos on YouTube, you get to see that I work a lot on my car. I also do a lot of projects at home. And it was a moment in my life, I think it was back in 13, 14. I was working on a project, and my close friend of mine, rest in peace, he was helping me record. I was working on the grill, and I was going to paint it, and he was recording, so he couldn't help me. But as I was taking out the grill, the screws kept falling inside the engine bay. And as everyone that works in their car, who does oil changes, does the filters, takes things out, you know how annoying it is to take screws out just for them to fall inside the engine bay. It sucks. So I remember I was working on the grill, and it came out. The screws were coming out and they were falling inside, and it was a biatch to get them out. I had to use a flashlight, let alone we were working in a garage that had poor lighting. I had to use the camera on my phone while my friend was recording to take out the screws with the light from the camera. But this is the reason why. At that time I was using I had a watch, and I had taped the watch so I can stick my screws and bolts and washers onto the wrist so I can take them out, put them in. You know, I was rigging things. It was done poorly. But then it came about with my Magnetic Bryce Band. This Bryce Band helps me a lot when I'm working on my car, or I'm doing some type of DIY projects, or any type of line of work where you're using screws, bolts, screwdrivers, flatheads. Reason being, let me show you. I'm talking a lot regarding the Bryce Band, but I'm not really showing you guys what I mean. Let's say you're taking out. Let's say you're taking out your grill of your car, and you don't want your screws to fall inside the engine bay. So what you do, let's say this band was on my other side. I'm screwing them out. As I'm taking it out, just putting it on my wrist. Taking out all the screws. Taking out all the screws, just putting them on my wrist. Or vice versa. If you're trying to put something on, let's say you're putting a photo frame on the wall, and you're holding it, and you are trying to take measurements, and you're trying to put a screw in, just take one out, screw in, easily. You don't have to put it in your pocket, you don't have to put it in your mouth, just put it on your wrist. That's all you need to do. Some type of line of work that would take you about 10 minutes to do can now take you 5 minutes, half the time, depending on how you work. But yeah, this box that I have right here actually is a box that just arrived. It's going to a supplier that had purchased 40. Now, I don't have any in my home. I have them in Amazon, or I have them purchased from Amazon, or if a customer contacts me directly and wants to purchase a huge amount of wristbands, I speak to my supplier. They send it to me, and then I put the information, and then I send it to the distributor, the supplier. This one is actually going to Connecticut. No, it's going to Kentucky. This one is going to Kentucky. It's about 40 of them. But let me open them up, because I have to eventually open them up. So yeah, this Bryce Band is very useful. This is for anyone that works on their car or likes to work with tools. that works with staple guns. I had a project that I had to do with staple guns around the garage. Easy. Put all the staples in here, take your staple gun, start chomping away. Just start hitting it away. And just take them out, refill it. Very easy. Anything that you know that you work with that's magnetized, put it on your wrist. You're working on something that needs Allen key, put it on your wrist. It won't fall. What else? Anything that is useful for you, that you need, as you're working on some computer checks. Actually, some computer check companies purchase not a huge amount, but you know, very grateful that they purchased my wristband, because the tech guys who work in computers and are taking electronics out, all those little screws, they put it on the wrist. So that's pretty cool that how they came about. I had a lady who gave me the idea as well, because when I first started working on the Bryce Band, again, it was all DIY, car project. That's all I thought about. And this lady had purchased one because she was a hairstylist, and she needed scissors and she needed her pins on the wrist. I never thought that, or needles. I never thought that that'd be that useful. So I actually got my phone ready. I got the camera ready. I told my wife if I could take photos of her, and that came about. We took some photos of her doing her sister's hair using bobby pins. Very useful. I'm telling you, this product right here, I love it. So I have a huge amount. This is all going to Kentucky. Pretty much. What else? It comes in one color only at the moment. I chose Delta Gray. My manufacturing company, they gave me a line of colors to choose from. I was going to go with a darker color because it's more neutral. But the only reason why I didn't go with white or black, because washers, screws are dark. They're pretty much dark to a dark color where if you have a black wristband, you're not going to be able to see it, especially when you're, and let's say you have poor lighting, where I used to work from, and you need something quickly, you're not going to keep looking around your wrist to see where that bolt is, that size of Allen key. That's the reason why I went with a light gray color, Delta Gray to be specific. I didn't go with white because white is too light. It'll get dirty very easily. I didn't want to go with a fruity color like a blue, red, or yellow. I went with the Delta Gray. That's my color. But yeah, pretty much it. These bad boys, when they come in from my manufacturing company, I put the information inside. Right now it looks plain with just the barcode. That's about it. The reason why I came with a bag and not a box is because when we ship these out to our customers, the customers, if I'm shipping it out through USPS, the smaller and lighter the weight, it doesn't cost as much if I were to put it in a heavy box. So light bags, very easy. You're not going to care about the box. You're just going to want the wristband. What else? So the suppliers that buy it from me, the distributors that buy it from me, they don't tend to leave reviews. The ones that buy it from Amazon or eBay. So if you are interested, and I don't have enough reviewers on this product, if you are interested in this product and you want one for free, please hit me up. Again, you can direct message me on Instagram, NuMBERNYC. You can contact me on YouTube, NuMBERNYC. Even Facebook, NuMBERNYC. But yeah, this absolutely free. All I ask in return is you give me an awesome review. But yeah, hit me up. Guys, thank you for your time. Catch you guys later. Take care.